Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and confirming your MIUI version so you know which control center options appear. Once done, make sure the phone has more than 20% battery and Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. You should back up any custom themes or layout settings now because changes may reset quick tiles. Now go to Settings and tap on Home Screen or Notifications and Control Center, depending on your MIUI. That first selection determines the next visible controls. You choose the control center style, classic or new, so the layout matches your preference. This switch changes gestures and look. Once switched, tap Customize or Manage buttons to drag tiles into place. You can add Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, brightness, and Do Not Disturb, or remove unused items. Make sure to long press tiles for extra options because some shortcuts allow one-tap actions versus opening full settings. After arranging, preview by swiping down from the top edge. You finish by saving or simply exiting settings. MIUI applies the changes immediately, so test the swipe gesture and tap each quick tile to confirm behavior. If something misbehaves, reset the control center to defaults in the same menu to restore expected layout. If problems persist, reboot the phone and, if needed, clear the Settings app cache from App Settings storage. That often fixes UI glitches. Finally, retry customization. Most issues clear after a reboot or cache reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.